Okay, I'm sitting inside a 2016 Subaru Forester with dual climate control. The outdoor temperature right now is 55 degrees according to the thermometer in the car, and this digital thermometer is accurate to within 1/10 of 1 degree, and currently the probe is inserted into the passenger face vent. The setting is set to low, which you can see in the left side of your screen, for both the passenger and the driver. And the temperature of the air coming out of that vent is 72 degrees. So if I turn the setting up on the passenger side, set it at 87, you'll see the temperature is now climbing on the air coming out of that vent. And that's working as it should. Now I'm going to take that out of that vent, stick it in the vent on the driver's side, and watch the temperature go back down. So that's all working as designed, or as it should, I should say. Now I'm going to take this probe, set the camera down so I can move it. I'm going to put it into the floor vent on the driver's side. Okay, there's the probe inserted into the floor vent on the driver's side. Okay, we're going to switch the mode to floor, which you see up there in the lower left. Now it's blowing on the floor. And the temperature coming out of there is about 75 degrees. Now, without changing the setting on the driver's side, I'm going to turn this temperature up only on the passenger side. Which you can see on the lower left there, the temperature going up. Now watch what happens to the temperature coming out of the floor vent on the driver's side when we turned up the thermostat on the passenger side. So you can see the driver's side set to low right here. The passenger side set to 87. And there's the temperature coming out of the driver's vent. And that'll keep going up to, I think, around 110 or more. So right now, we're in dual mode. And I have the passenger's temperature set to 88, and I have the driver's temperature set as low as it will go, and the air coming out of the driver's side is 110 degrees. Now if I turn the setting down on the passenger side without touching the driver's side, watch the temperature. Down it goes. Now, it's going to keep going down, but if I turn this setting back up on the passenger side, not touching the driver's side, it goes right back up again. The interesting thing is, if you switch it over to floor and face mode, when I hit this button right there, now the temperature will go down on the floor of the driver's side and follow the setting on the driver's temperature control like it should. So now you can see that it's set high on the passenger, low on the driver, and it's working as it should work if you have actual dual climate control. But as soon as I hit this mode button to go just to the floor like you're running the heater in the wintertime, watch on the lower left, you'll see there, now it's on floor. Now watch the temperature go back up. This will happen exactly the same way if you switch the temperature probe to the passenger side, turn the passenger temperature all the way down to as low as it'll go, and increase the temperature on the driver's side. Basically, whichever of the two temperatures controls you have set higher, that's the temperature you get from both vents coming out of the floor air when it's set to floor air only. So once again, to explain that, in dual climate control mode, whichever temperature control you have set higher, be it the passenger side or the driver's side, that temperature is what you will get from both sides, even if one of them set to low as it will go. So right now, set on low, the air coming out of the driver's side is over 111 degrees. Not working right.